Welcome to Profit Potential. Is real estate still the go-to investment in 2025, or are there new opportunities taking the spotlight? We've all heard the saying, buy land, they're not making any more of it, but with shifting market dynamics, economic uncertainty, and evolving trends, is real estate still the best place to park your money? In today's video, we'll dig into the truth behind real estate investment in 2025 and what you need to know before diving in. Real estate's historical appeal. For decades, real estate has been seen as a stable and profitable investment. Why? Well, it's tangible, it can appreciate over time, and it often provides consistent income through rental yields. Historically, property has been a go-to investment for many wealthy individuals. But with rising interest rates, economic uncertainty, and new investment vehicles emerging, does the traditional buy-and-hold strategy still make sense for 2025? Changing economic conditions. One of the biggest challenges for real estate investors in 2025 will be rising interest rates. In 2023, the Federal Reserve raised rates to combat inflation, and while we may see them stabilize, rates are still significantly higher than they were just a few years ago. This means higher mortgage payments for buyers, potentially slowing down property sales. For investors, this could reduce demand for both residential and commercial real estate, especially if people can no longer afford higher monthly payments. Additionally, with inflation still impacting the cost of construction, the price of materials and labor continues to rise, which could limit new development or drive up the cost of building. On top of that, property taxes may increase in some areas, adding to the overall cost of owning and maintaining real estate. The shift to remote work and location flexibility. Another important factor is the ongoing impact of the remote work revolution. With many businesses continuing to allow employees to work from home, we're seeing a shift in where people want to live. Suburban and rural areas have become more attractive as families move away from expensive urban centers in search of more affordable homes and a better quality of life. This trend could create new investment opportunities in suburban and rural real estate. But it also means that commercial real estate, especially office buildings in city centers, might face more challenges as businesses downsize their physical office spaces. So the question for investors is, will these shifts in demand create growth in certain areas while others may see stagnation or decline? Real estate trends in 2025. So what are the key real estate trends to watch for in 2025? First, there's PropTech, or property technology, which is revolutionizing how we buy, sell, and manage real estate. Virtual tours, online property platforms, and AI-powered pricing models are making the process more efficient and transparent. For investors, this means access to more data and better tools for decision-making. Another trend is the rise of eco-friendly homes and sustainability. With growing concerns about climate change, buyers and renters are increasingly interested in properties that are energy efficient, have lower carbon footprints, or even feature green roofs and solar panels. If you're an investor, this could mean higher demand for green real estate in the coming years. Risks and potential drawbacks. However, as with any investment, real estate comes with risks. With property values in many regions already inflated, there's the potential for a market correction in the next few years. If you're buying at the peak of the market, you could face challenges if values drop. And remember, real estate is illiquid, meaning it's not easy to sell quickly if you need to cash out. Additionally, property management and maintenance costs can eat into your returns. Whether you're renting out a single-family home or commercial space, vacancies, repairs, and rising utility costs can quickly add up. And if the economy goes into a downturn, tenants may struggle to pay rent, impacting your cash flow. Is real estate a good investment in 2025? So, is real estate a good investment in 2025? It depends. If you're willing to do your research, stay informed on market conditions, and choose properties with growth potential, especially in emerging or up-and-coming areas, you could still see solid returns. But it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. Real estate requires long-term thinking, patience, and a willingness to weather market fluctuations. Ultimately, for many investors, real estate remains a solid, stable option, especially when compared to the volatility of stocks. However, just like with any investment, it's crucial to consider your risk tolerance, your financial goals, and the broader economic picture before making your decision. Are you planning to buy real estate next year? Or are you considering other investment options? We'd love to hear from you.